Preparing for Christmas seems to start earlier and earlier every year. I think part of the reason is because so many people celebrate Christmas. No matter what your belief system is or your background is, there's some aspect of this holiday that probably appeals to you. Whether it's getting together with family, celebrating the season with your coworkers, getting some time off, or giving gifts, or receiving gifts. Christmas is pretty fun. It has something for everyone, and there's a reason for that. It's kind of a collaboration between a lot of historical events. And it's a seasonal adventure for people who the rest of the year may not agree on everything. I like how accessible Christmas is. I like that you can celebrate it in a number of different ways. I think that this is reflected in the apps that LUMOplay offers for the holidays. Some of our apps can even be customized using the Motion Maker template, and most of them will work equally well on the floor or the wall. These colorful interactive experiences are fantastic for holiday events, at schools, in museums, celebrations in your office. They're really good in brand activations. If you're looking at adding something really unique to your Santa's workshop in a mall, we have something for that. If you're looking for adding something in your retail environment that allows people to stay entertained while they stand in longer and longer lineups at the checkout, we have stuff for that too. No matter what your installation is, where it is, or what you're trying to accomplish with it, we have holiday experiences that are perfect for any type of environment. And we have templates so that you can create your own custom content to celebrate the holidays. If you have any questions about how to use LUMOplay, you can reach out to me in the comments and I'll reply. Or you can email me at info@lumoplay.com. I'm happy to help you with your holiday activation. I really enjoy talking to customers who are doing events, especially short-term events aimed at children and families. Our tools are so easy to use that we definitely see a lot of activations happen around Christmas, especially at the last minute when people haven't planned ahead. So again, email me at info@lumoplay.com. Like, subscribe, engage with the video, anything that you can do to help our company spread the message of interactive displays for everybody.